Hey guys, I'm Veronica Wheat, also known as Chef V, and welcome to the Citi Taste of Tennis, What's in Your Kitchen Special Edition. I'm your host, and you're live in my kitchen here in West Caldwell, New Jersey. I also have another facility in San Marcos, California, where we ship our green drinks and cleanses nationally. So today we're going to be making some healthy smoothies, and I've also got a free downloadable PDF guide that you guys can take with you, download, keep it in your phone, and will help you have a healthy smoothie guide and make sure that you make tasty smoothies all the time. So you can follow along today. I'm going to be making a banana blue smoothie, a tropical smoothie, and a lean green smoothie. We're gonna get started. So my first smoothie is a banana blue smoothie. The first ingredient is always gonna be your base or your liquid. So for the banana blue smoothie, I like to use our house-made oat milk, but you can use any sort of oat milk or almond milk, or if you'd like to use regular dairy milk, that's fine too. I prefer to use non-dairy milks. So this is my oat milk. You're going to use a little bit more than 1 cup, so about 1 1/4 cup of liquid, okay? So for the banana blue, 1 1/4 cup of oat milk. So the first thing we're gonna be doing is banana. So you can use a small banana, just kind of chop it up. I like to use frozen fruit. Just helps the smoothie stay like a nice thick consistency. But if you don't have a freezer in your hotel, that's fine. You can use fresh fruit as well. I just always add ice, which helps make it more cold and more of a smoothie. Blueberries, you can use about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of blueberries. Add that into the smoothie. And then greens. You always want to get some nice greens into your smoothie. This will help you keep it more well balanced and get a lot more vegetables in your diet. So I like to use kale, but you can use any kind of dark leafy green that you like. Microgreens, spinach, kale, chard, collards, green leaf lettuce, whatever you've got. Just put about a nice handful in there. I like to even use the stalk. So putting that in there. And then just a nice scoop of ice, like about a cup. So this is the basic smoothie, super simple. So I like to add a vegan protein. This is just a vanilla pea protein. And then peanut butter. Peanut butter is a really great thing to add to smoothies. It adds lots of natural fats and proteins. And this is gonna help keep you full throughout the day, especially for breakfast. This should hold you over for hours, okay? So all these ingredients, put them in the blender and blend for about 1 minute. Okay? So now the smoothie is nice and mixed. You can pour it into a cup or whatever you like to drink out of. If you have a NutriBullet, you can even just drink it right out of the NutriBullet. Save a cup. Okay? And this is a super popular smoothie at my store. It's really good. Super yummy. Okay, so the next smoothie that we're going to make is our tropical green smoothie. I love to use coconut water. If you don't want to have it so much sugar, you can do half coconut water, half water. It's going to be great. So again, 1 cup plus of liquids, about 1 1/4 cup. With this smoothie, I like to do coconut water, and then I use about 1/4 cup of mango and 1/4 cup of pineapple. Okay? Then I'm going to add our kale, and then of course our ice. So again, adding about 1 cup of ice. And I always like to add protein, especially in the morning, because that's gonna keep you full for a lot longer. So adding the vanilla pea protein is really good. We've got coconut water, mango, pineapple, kale, and ice, okay? So blend that up. All right, it's nice and blended. This is one of my favorite smoothies. It's so good. My last smoothie is a super low sugar, very healthy smoothie, okay? This one has very, very little fruit. It just has a tiny bit of cucumber and lemon. So for this smoothie, I actually use water as the base. I like to throw in celery. So you can do 1 or 2 stalks of celery. We'll do 1 for this one. Some yummy kale. You can use kale, any kind of greens you'd like. Spinach, microgreens are a really great thing to add because they have tons of phytonutrients in them. But I love kale. So we're putting that in there. Then I'm going to add some cucumber and then lemon. Lemon is really going to be the thing that jazzes this smoothie up. So adding a half lemon, or you can add a whole lemon. I'm gonna add a whole lemon today. About 1 cup of ice you're adding into here. Blend that up. Okay, this one's a little bit more of like juicier, so I like to blend it a little extra just because it's not gonna be as thick like the other ones. Yeah, those are my yummy smoothies. I do have a special offer for you guys. I do my organic green drinks and cleanses. We've got these delicious green drinks, and there's 7 greens blended, which is a tiny bit of apple. This one has a tiny bit of mango and pineapple. We send 2 of these to you a week, or 7 little guys. I'm doing 55% off for you guys. The code is GREEN55, all one word. And if you use it at checkout, there already is a 50% off discount there, so you can just take that one out and add the new one in if you're interested. We also do cleanses, where you're getting 1 of these a day, 2 protein shakes a day, and a soup at night. We have a sweet potato curry soup and a carrot ginger soup. And again, if you have questions, I am a certified nutritional therapist. I'm also an author. I have my own cookbook, Making Cleansing Easier. It's available on my website as well as on Amazon. It has tons of cleansing recipes in there. So thank you guys so much. It was really fun. There was a lot of nice people that joined, and I appreciate all your support. And cheers to Citi Taste of Tennis for having me as their co-host today. Cheers to your health, everybody.